I'm currently teaching 8th grade math at Jean Charles Young Middle School. This is my 5th year teaching and my 4th year at Young Middle School. I've previously taught 6th grade and 8th grade math and earth science. Jean Charles Young Middle School is located in the Cascade Heights community, which is in southwest Atlanta. The school is named after educator Jean Charles Young, wife of the former Atlanta mayor and UN ambassador Andrew Young. The school's motto, "Every child is a gifted child," is in honor of Young, who truly believed in every student. The school is home to several championship sports teams, a highly selective gifted program, and hands down the best middle school jazz band in the state of Georgia. As a Title I school and a school of excellence, Jean Charles Young Middle has established lifelong partnerships with surrounding businesses, neighboring schools, and community churches. Now let's look into Jean Charles Young data. After analyzing the data, I was able to list the achievements and weaknesses. The title of my capstone project is Implementing Web 2.0 Tools and Blogging in Mathematics. Young students are in need of more meaningful uses of technology and Web 2.0 tools in the classroom to prepare them for lifelong learning and workforce readiness. After analyzing the school's math department data, I was able to come to the conjecture that teachers were not creating meaningful and engaging synthesizing activities that allow students to interact with the math content. My capstone project will focus on helping teachers find engaging and meaningful ways to implement Web 2.0 tools and blogging in the classroom. My project plan was to develop a professional learning community at my school, mostly teachers that explore and share resources for implementing web tools and blogging in the classroom. First, I started off with a technology teacher survey so that I'll be able to measure the growth of teachers throughout the learning experience. In the scheduled workshops, teachers will view model lessons of Web 2.0 tools being used in classrooms very similar to their own. Teachers will view various kids' blogging sites and how they are used in various content areas. I will also provide a list of grade level appropriate topics for students to blog and show blogging assignments created by my own class. Each session will begin with teachers blogging about their experience with the Web 2.0 tools workshop, which will give them plenty of practice and also show how it enhances learning. Lastly, each Web 2.0 tool will come with a quick mini project for teachers to complete to make sure they understand how to implement the particular tool in their classroom. The evaluation plan took place from January to May of 2015. The evaluation plan included many projects from each tool and a survey of 5 questions after the lessons to review the results. From the results of the survey, out of the 8 staff members, 6 of them allowed their students to use the computer and internet frequently. Those 6 allow students to use the internet for websites pertaining to standards taught, projects and research, creating Word documents and PowerPoint presentation, and webcam access. All members were familiar with the definition of Web 2.0 tools. However, only 2 members have used Web 2.0 tools in the classroom, which were Prezi and Edmodo. Next, I selected Web 2.0 tools to be demonstrated and discussed during the professional learning workshops. I originally wanted to introduce 10 to 12 tools to be implemented into the classroom, but I realized that was too much. To fully implement, I decided to present 7 Web 2.0 tools during the learning workshops. Those learning sessions were VoiceThread, Weebly, Poplet, Wordle, Jing, Prezi, and Kids Blog. Each week, I refreshed my knowledge of the tool and created a sample to refer to and use as a model for the learning workshop for that particular week. Handouts and how to use documents were created for each tool, along with a lesson plan for integration of that tool in various content areas. For even better understanding, I used Gene for screen captures to create step-by-step procedures that teachers could follow when using the tool on their own. There were a total of 7 learning workshops completed with 7 different tools presented, demonstrated, and evaluated. Each workshop lasted approximately 1 hour and were held on Tuesday. Additional days and times were provided for those members who needed extra help or a more in-depth demonstration with the tools. Workshops ended 2 weeks before Georgia Milestones assessments, and I conducted an evaluation survey to evaluate and acquire feedback on the effectiveness of the workshops. The survey let me know that the workshop indeed impacted faculty development, technology facilitation, and student learning and achievement. From the survey results, all 8 members now allow their students to use the computer and internet on a day-to-day basis. All members use all 7 Web 2.0 tools with their students and share artifacts from that implementation. The members were also asked to blog about their experience on the PLC blog I created to be used during the session, but were not used due to limited timing.